welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make your first sale in any business you have. I'm not going to just discriminate and just say the clothing brand, the jewelry business, all that good stuff. So you have your brand, you have your business, you're not making any sales, you feel like you're doing everything under the sun that you're supposed to do. Because I felt like this, I was once in this place before. Like I was once like, what am I doing? What am I like? What's going on? I felt like I was doing everything right and nothing was just resulting into sales. So first you have to take a step back and analyze and look at you and your business. You may think that you're doing everything right, but you might not necessarily be doing everything right. So take a step back, look at your business. Look at your Instagram, look at your TikTok, look at your website, look at all the social media platforms that you're on, look at your inventory, look at your analysis and the analytics on all that stuff. And now I said analytics. Is it analytics or analysis? Analytics. Look at your analytics everywhere. Compare. Okay? See what is working and see what's not. So once you see like, okay, I get more likes on this, I get more views on this, I get more interaction with this, or people like this, or da 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 da. So first you want to try to get your brand, your product, whatever you have in front of your target audience. You're probably not getting any sales because you're not getting it in front of the right people. The right people, getting in front of the right people can equal sales. If you're not in front of the right people, then you're not gonna get any sales. Like say for instance that you sell charm bracelets and you're in front of people that is looking for clothes. They're not gonna purchase from you because they're not looking for charm bracelets. I mean, it's you know what I'm saying? It happens where people be scrolling, they're like, oh, I like that, and they shop, da 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 da. But if you want to get consistent sales every day, you got to find followers that like your brand, that love what you have, that is interested in what you have, that, you know, because there's people out here that, okay, we're going to say bracelets. These people out here that have bracelet collections, love bracelets, wear bracelets every day, buy bracelets every day. It's people out here that got friend groups that got, you know what I'm saying, bracelets. So you want to get in front of that type of person. So first, to get in front of that audience, you want to start using the right hashtags, targeting the right hashtags, because a lot of people follow hashtags. I don't know who still does, but a lot of people still do follow hashtags. So first you want to use the right hashtags for your photos. So say for instance you have a photo of a phone case and your hashtag say beanie. That's not what we're doing. You're not going to reach your target audience there. Okay, so another way you can make sales from hashtags, you can do promo. You could do promo with Instagram. You could do ads with Instagram to reach your target audience, and they have it where, so you specifically set it to what age group and what, you know what I'm saying, interest and what gender and all that area and all that good stuff that you're looking for. The reason why I told you guys to go look at your analytics, where, you know what I'm saying, most of your people, your traffic is coming from and all the extras. That is what you want to use to set your settings for your ads and stuff like that. I know it sounds like a lot, but that is what you want to implement into your ads and to get in front of more people. If you feel like your analytics is still not the people that you want to reach, then you do not have to use that. You can make up your own, you know what I'm saying, category of people to target for your ads specifically. Also, you can use promotion. You can use pages, other business pages as well that do sell similar products. They might charge you more, do sell similar products to give you promo. Sometimes people that sell the same stuff as you do not want to give you promo because they were like, oh, they taking my customers. It's giving crab in a barrel type. You know what I'm saying? It's giving crab in a barrel. But we're not going to go there. We're not going to go there. If you do not want to reach out to those people, honestly, you can, what you can do, you can go to your hashtag. You're going to go back to the hashtags. You can go to explore. Type in charm bracelets. Look at other charm bracelet businesses. You know what I'm saying? Look at, if you want to be that type of person, look. You want to make sales, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta look at who they following, who follows them. You know what I'm saying? Reach out to those people, send them discounts. I'm not saying do this to everybody, but if you want more customers, try to, like, you know what I'm saying, you want to be in front of who's everybody else in front of. You want to be like, you know what I'm saying, in that niche. You want to be in the, like, you know what I'm saying, in there, like booty hair. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like, you have to put in the work. You have to look for the customers. You can't expect them to just automatically find you. Sometimes you're gonna have to do the digging, do the work, and just look. So sometimes you can also go to hashtags like colleges in your area and all that good stuff. Look up those hashtags. And sometimes college girls, they be tagging they colleges, you know what I'm saying? Go to their page, like a couple pictures, get their attention. Don't do too much. Don't do too much. You could like a one picture and you can comment heart eyes or something, or you can send them a DM and say, you know what I'm saying, oh, here's a discount. Hey, I came across your page. You're pretty. You're really pretty. You look like you'll be interested in da 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 da. Get them a discount code. Da 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 da. You know what I'm saying? Da, 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 da. And look at who she following. You know what I'm saying? All that extra stuff. Because that could be, you know what I'm saying? If y'all get what I'm saying, y'all get what I'm saying. Okay? Switch up your content. That could be another way, like, you're not making sales. People tired of seeing it. They're tired of seeing it. I'm not saying it in a mean way. I'm saying it in, like, a real life, real shit way. Like, I had to learn this myself. Like, they're tired of seeing it. Switch it up. Think outside the box. Think of ideas. The goal is not to try to go viral. The goal is to try to reach the right people and get customers and to equate to sales. Because you can go viral all you want to and get... Say that again. You can go viral all you want to and get... I've seen people with 10 times the followers as me and still struggling. I've seen people, you know what I'm saying, not lose nothing. I lost my Instagram, you know what I'm saying, and it's other people that didn't lose their Instagram that was in almost 70K, da, 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 da. Their business is struggling. Like, I'm not saying, like, I'm not praying on nobody's downfall. Hold on, I just noticed a lot of things with a lot of businesses that I used to be friends with. I used to be, you know what I'm saying, cool with a lot of businesses, and everybody not treating this like a lifestyle. They're treating it like a hobby. Me, this is life for me. This is not a hobby for me. That's why I go so hard. Like, it's not a short-term thing, it's a long-term thing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people that gave up on their businesses. They stop, you know, posting. They stop being consistent. When they start seeing the sales die down, they stop being consistent. You gotta stay consistent even through the hard times. Entrepreneurship is up and down, guys. It's never going to be the same. You're never going to make the same amount of money every month. You're never going to get the same amount of sales every month. It's probably going to be one month you make 10,000 and next month you make 3,000. You know what I'm saying? But that is all the beauty of it. It's yours. You working hard for it. You're working. Just think about it like this. You don't have to work for nobody. You're working for yourself. The goal is to not work for no one at all and to be completely 100% an entrepreneur, working for yourself, making your own hours, you know what I'm saying, making money. It's no limit, no heights to entrepreneurship. No shape or form. You know what I'm saying? Once you get in there, once you start making consistent sales, once you keep it up, you know what I'm saying, it's possible. Also, if you don't have a TikTok, get on TikTok. What's wrong with you? Sweetie, if you don't have a TikTok, get on TikTok, okay? Get on TikTok, get out of your shell, get out of your head, you know what I'm saying? Go live. Also, okay, wait. First, get on TikTok, make videos, use trending sounds, use, you know what I'm saying, specific hashtags, not use broad hashtags. Don't use specific hashtags. I mean, use broad hashtags. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't use specific hashtags so your video can get more views. Also, go live on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you have it. You know what I'm saying? Go live. Boost yourself. Try to play games, you know what I'm saying, to get people to, you know what I'm saying, participate in sales. It was like buy 3 get 3 free, buy 1 get 1 free, oh 40% off just this live, or use code TikTok, blah 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 blah, so you know where they're coming from, so you know that it's working and all that good stuff. So I gave you guys a lot of ways to, you know what I'm saying, make your first sale, make sales, increase your sales. You know what I'm saying? If you're struggling, you don't have sales, if you haven't made a sale, if you're struggling, I done covered everything like in this one video. Like, I was supposed to break it up, but I didn't. But who cares? But yeah, y'all, that's a few things that you could do to increase sales, make your first sale, whatever you want to do. Have it. We do have ebooks as well on do's and don'ts on marketing. We do have ebooks on how to grow on Instagram. We are coming out with an ebook on how to grow on TikTok. We do have a road to 10K ebook where you road to reach your first $10,000 in your business. Is all on my website in the description box below. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. I mean, like, I hope I touch base on everything. If you do have some more questions, I do not have no problem answering them in the comment section. Or guys, if you want to DM me on Instagram, I will answer some questions for you guys. Bye.